If you're experiencing issues with multiplayer in Rocket League, calibration may help resolve connectivity problems. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Test your connection speed and try restarting your router if necessary. A strong and stable connection is crucial for online gaming. Step 2. Update game and system. Make sure that both Rocket League and your gaming system PC, PlayStation, Xbox, etc. are updated to the latest versions. Updates often include important fixes and improvements for multiplayer functionality. Step 3. Adjust network settings. Access your network settings and enable UPnP Universal Plug and Play if it's not already enabled. This can help with port forwarding and improve your connection to the game servers. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can resolve multiplayer issues. Step 5. Restart the game. After making the above adjustments, restart Rocket League. This ensures that all changes take effect and can help establish a fresh connection to the multiplayer servers. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve multiplayer issues in Rocket League. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.